Alright guys, let's open Google Chrome or any web browser that you use, and then type XAMPP to search for XAMPP official website. Actually XAMPP official website is apachefriends.org, and click on the link, and there are 3 versions for download. We are going to download a Windows version, and click on download, and then it's gonna download over here. It's around 140 megabyte. I'm going to fast forward the process of downloading. Then when it's done download, click here and show in the folder. So double click here and click on yes. Click OK. Click next, 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 and next. Just click next and close this one. So the installation will take for a while. And then click on finish. Click on save. Then you can start to click on start here. So if it's clean, that means the server is up and running. So you can access web server right now, localhost here. That means you are able to access web server. So and then you can start MySQL, and then you can access database by type here localhost/php myadmin, hit enter. This is our database. Or you can click admin over here. It will automatically go to localhost/dashboard. And if you click here, it will automatically go to localhost php myadmin. Alright, this is all about how to install XAMPP on Windows.